Welcome to this technical guide on the Enovo Yoga 730. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Enovo Yoga 730 won't charge at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue may arise due to various reasons, including a faulty battery, a damaged charging port, or even software problems. If left unresolved, you might find your device completely unusable, leading to potential data loss and further complications. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and a new battery specifically designed for the Enovo Yoga 730. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back cover of the device. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back cover is off, you'll see the internal components. Look for the battery, which is usually located towards the bottom of the device. The battery is typically connected with a few screws and a connector. Use your precision screwdriver to carefully remove any screws holding the battery in place. Remember to keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Gently disconnect the battery connector using your tweezers. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the same connector where the old one was attached. Ensure it's seated properly. Once connected, secure the battery back in place with the screws you previously removed. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the battery or the motherboard. After you have replaced the battery, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully align the back cover and press it down until it clicks into place, ensuring all clips are secured. Finally, plug in your charger and turn on your Enovo Yoga 730 to check if it charges correctly. If you have followed these steps and your device still does not charge, you may need professional assistance. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to use a compatible charger, avoid using your device while it's charging, and keep the charging port clear of dust and debris. Regularly check for software updates, as these can sometimes resolve charging issues as well. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.